Okay, welcome to my site. So this is a Comptia mock exam. This is not the real Comptia, it is just a mock exam to prepare you for the real Comptia exam. So this site actually auto-generates, using the power of artificial intelligence. It auto-generates Comptia questions and then grades you and gives you a feedback on how you have scored. So you can use this site to prepare for this set of exam, be it security, network plus, pen test, Linux server, cloud plus, and even A plus. So you get a series. You create, it's a simulation whereby you can take some tests, then the system scores you and gives you feedback on whether you have scored correctly or if you have scored wrongly, and it gives you, it also reviews your score and tells you where you're supposed to put more energy on as you prepare for the real Comptia exam. So if you want to chat with the customer care, you can just click this WhatsApp button, and let me guide you now on how to sign in and how to generate those questions. So just click sign in. You can if you already have an account, you can just put your account and the password, your email and password. But if you don't have an account and you want to sign in faster, you can use continue with Google. So let me continue with Google. So when you continue with Google, it will ask you to allow Comptia mock test to have access. You click allow, then here is the dashboard. So when you look at the dashboard, we have you for if you have not yet subscribed, you have 3 attempts for this sample, or you can go for the pro version. The pro version requires a subscription, and it can be monthly, yearly, or lifetime subscription. So I'll talk about the pricing later. So let's take, for example, we are preparing for Comptia Security Plus. So I'll click sample, this sample 20 quiz, and the system will generate for me 20 quiz for Comptia Security Plus. So I'll wait for the quiz to generate. Then once the quiz are generated, it will redirect me to the start button, and I can start I can start to attempt. So I'll just wait until it's finished generating. So this is a sample that the system has generated a total of 19 questions. So for example, I can just answer these questions faster, then you will see how it will output the results. Okay, so I have finished the test. So let's say you have finished the test. You're supposed to click the submit button, but let's say you go back to the home home tab. So how will you like access the exam again? So how you'll access, you'll go back to the dashboard, then you see like recent attempts, the status is in progress, so you can just click resume. So when you click resume, your answers are saved. So go to the last question, then you can submit. Now when you submit, the system will auto grade you, and it will it will scale you based on the the same way Comptia will be grading you. And you see like the system is breaking down the domains of the Comptia, and it's telling you like you'll need to focus on security architecture and threat mitigation. And when you look at the security, the questions that you didn't get, the system will be telling you like why didn't you score in this question. For example, question number 4, you picked zero trust instead of screened subnet. And question number 19, the correct answer was amplification attack, but you picked DNS spoofing. So the system actually auto grades you. Then you can go back to the dashboard, and that history is saved, and you can review it as much as you want. And for the pro version, the sample is only 20 questions, and for the pro version now is the it will scale you, like it will give you 90 questions, and the time will be 1 hour 30 minutes, that is 90 minutes. Yeah, so that's basically how the system works. So for the pricing, you can click just pro, or you can just go here. You see when you click pro version, you'll be getting this error, so that means you have to subscribe. For the pricing, these are the pricing. You can just click directly to start any package. Let's say you want to get lifetime. You just click lifetime, and it will take you to checkout. Then you can use your card. If you're not in you're not in Kenya, you can't use M-Pesa or M-Pesa till, just use your card. And once you check out, the system automatically gives you the subscription that you have actually subscribed for, and it gives you full access to the to these it gives you full access to the system, so you can generate the full exam on either security plus, network plus, pen test, or even A plus. So basically that's how the system works.